Hi ladies, I'm so sorry that I have neglected you all. I've been feeling so rough and so poorly with this morning sickness, but when I was at work on Monday, I barely made it through the 12-hour shift, by the way. Whilst I was at work on Monday, I rang my doctor and I said, can I get put on the waiting list for a phone consultation for today? And she said, yeah, absolutely, I'll pop you on the list. And I got a phone call, you know how it goes, like a private number, when they call you. So of course I had a private number ring me and I knew straight away who it was. It was the doctor, and they put me on something called ondansetron. Hang on, let me just... ondansetron, which is amazing. I feel a lot better after taking it, which is amazing, and I can actually function a little bit. So I straightened my hair today, as you can see. I feel a lot better, and I also did my, well, I got husband to do my eyebrows when we got home from holiday because I hadn't done them in like a week. My little update this week, I've actually had to call in sick for work because I've been feeling so rough, and now that I've got these tablets, I am feeling a lot better, but I just have like this anxiety a little bit of like going out to Asda and things. I don't know why. I guess it's kind of like the worry of not feeling very well whilst I'm out. But anyway, long story short, you can see by the title, I have booked my first scan. I'm so excited. It's coming real soon. What day are we on now? Wednesday. And it's for the 4th of March, which is a Monday. I've got, because my birthday's the 3rd of March, which is the Sunday. So I've got Sunday off. I've got Monday off. So... and then I'm having my hair done on Tuesday. So, yeah, next week is going to be a good week. But we're on Wednesday now, so we've got a few more days. And I will be, I think, 8 weeks and 3 days when I have the scan. So hopefully we'll be able to see like a little baby with a little heartbeat. And hopefully just one baby, because that's all I ordered. Everyone was joking and saying like, oh, I wonder if it's twins because you're feeling so poorly this time. And I was like, oh, I don't know. That's such a funny thing to joke about when it's not you that's pregnant. And you've only got a 3-bedroom house. But yeah, any baby is a blessing, obviously. I'm joking. But yeah, so that's that. In the mornings, it's not so bad. So I can normally get up, have a hot chocolate, get the kids breakfast and everything ready, walk up to school, back. And then just, I kind of like deteriorate. So like after I have lunch, I sort of deteriorate and sort of start feeling really poorly. And I had a little nap earlier, so I felt a little bit better. But then like when you wake up from your nap, you're a little bit dehydrated and a little bit sickly. So I've just had some more ondansetron. I've just had one. And it's made me feel a little bit better. So I've just had my cleaner lady, so I've just hired a cleaner because, let's face it guys, I've had so many comments saying that my house is a mess. So there we go. I'm paying for a cleaner now because I'm one of those people. And she's lovely, so... she'll be coming hopefully every week or every other week. But yeah, so literally that's my life at the moment, and we're only about 3.5 minutes in. Someone literally whinged at me the other day because my videos weren't very long. I'm so sorry guys, I just don't feel very well. I'm trying to update as much as I can and do like little live updates and things, so I know you guys love that. But then if you miss the live updates, it's like, oh no, I missed the live update. But yeah, it's been a day. It's been okay. All of my laundry, shall I show you my laundry? Oh, there it is, look at it all. Oh, it's all been in the washing machine because we went on holiday. If you guys missed that on my Instagram, I put the links down below for my Insta. We went on holiday to Spain. I had the worst week ever. The sun was beautiful. I think it got up to 26 degrees. The kids managed to get a suntan even with the factor 50 on. They've got like a little like brown and white line like alternating from like their back and where their trunks were. They're so cute. They absolutely loved the holiday. And in fact, the aeroplane ride home was a lot better because we only got it only got delayed by about sort of half an hour to an hour, whereas the other aeroplane when we went to Spain was 3 hours delayed. So that was like ridiculous because we were really tired. We'd been up since like 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning, and then by the time we actually got to Spain it was 9 o'clock at night, so that was really rough. But it was really sweet actually because I'll insert some photos here. So even before the plane had taken off, it like goes down the runway, doesn't it? So it just like bum 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 bum, and then like turns around like this, and then it like takes off. So it was just like taxiing us towards the towards the runway, and Charlie was like, boom, he was like flat out, and then so he fell asleep, and he was like laying like the queen in between us. He had his feet on Matt, his head on me, and he was just out the whole plane journey, and that was really, really cute. The aircraft attendants were actually really nice, because I thought they were going to have to like get him to wake up when we like, because you have to have like your seatbelt on and stuff like that. So we did like put his seatbelt around his middle, but he still was able to like lie down on me. I thought they were going to say something, but they didn't, so we just held on to him. He was fine. Harry was absolutely good as gold. He just amazing. He said he wasn't asleep on the aeroplane, but he was. And then when like I spoke to him, he was like, "Mummy, no, I didn't sleep. I couldn't sleep." And he was so grumpy, and I was like, "Oh, okay, maybe you didn't sleep." Bless his heart. He said, "Mummy, that was the best holiday ever." And it melted my heart. It was so lovely. So yeah, we went for a week to Spain. If you guys missed that last video or the video before that, I had complete meltdown, complete panic attack. But now my sickness is under control. I feel a lot better. And you guys have been so amazing. So thank you so much for all of your lovely, lovely messages. I think this is it for now. Yeah, as you can see. Oh, look, there's my dishwasher that needs emptying. Yeah, I'm not going to be doing that. But yeah, so keeping it real with you guys, as always. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to me for free to follow my journey. And I'll see you in my next video, which will be my first scan. Fingers crossed everything goes all right. Bye, ladies.